Hello guys, today I show you how to use copy your pen bucket. So example, you already paint this and you want copy this paint to this pen, but very fast without going to this material. So how to do it? Just click on here, pen bucket or letter B, the same, and then control and then Alt, Alt. See it change now, and you click on here. See the same. You see, it's very fast. Or Alt again, I want to copy this one. See it change now, yeah. Click on here. Oh, I want to copy this one out. This one. I want to copy to this place. Okay, yeah. That's cool. It's fast. Again. I want to copy this one out. Click on this and click on this one. So it's the same. That's how you can copy a pen bucket very fast without going to this. You can use this. You can use this, but it's slow, yeah. So you have many material and then you want to copy this. It's fast. That's all. If you enjoy this, please subscribe for more. Bye.